Paragraph 201 now.
Tango Server 201, flight level 2502 Brazza. We are 7 crew, 108 passengers, insurance 0330, request to start.
Second level requested.
Flight level 250.
Copy, pushback approved, plus QNH 1013. Start up on taxiway, report next for taxi.
Clear to push and start taxiway, taxi next 1013, copy, Tango Server 201.
Ground, good morning.
Good morning, Captain. How are you?
Very good yourself. May I pressure the hydraulic, please?
AFM Captain, you can press the hydraulic, but everything's okay. The doors and flaps gears, we got in place. The turbo is connected already.
Thank you very much. Pressurizing hydraulic.
Here we go.
Before start checks, load shading and checklist. High ground, may I release parker brake?
AFM Captain, can release the brake.
Okay, parker brake release, you're clear to push.
Here we go.
Ground, may I start engine number 2?
AFM Captain, can start engine number 2.
Starting number 2.
Here we go.
Ground, may I start engine number 1?
AFM Captain,
Starting 1.
here we go. And now you can set the brake, Captain.
Okay, I'm setting parker brake. Parker brake is set.
Thank you.
Ground, we have 2 normal start. You can disconnect all the ground equipment for the signal to the right. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day.
Okay, thank you, Captain. Officers, Mark, talk with you. Have a nice Friday. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye. Alright, left rudder, neutral, right rudder, neutral. Before text checklist.
Before text checklist, generators are on. Pitot on, anti-ice, off, as involved. Auto engine start switches, continuous recall.
Check.
Checked. Auto brake RTO engine start levers.
All the 10.
Flight controls.
Check.
Ground equipment.
Clear my set.
Clear before text checks complete. Tango Sergo 201 request taxi.
201 for now, taxi back to runway 17, clearance available.
ATC.
Go ahead.
Taxi back track 17, go ahead, 201.
Clearance for now to Brazil via Voras. Voras clearance permit level 210 whenever on lieutenant course.
2-1.
Copy to clear to Brazil Voras flight level 21017 left. Request flight level 250.
Feedback correct, line up report ready for departure.
Line up ready next, request level 250 when ready.
Secure level 250.
Level 250, Tango Sergo 201. Why?
Left clear on the runway.
Right is clear. Terrain my side.
Check for the radar on my side. Okay, copy the clearance, runway heading, 1 airborne left and out, 084 to Vorex to climb flight level 2.
Check.
Squawk is 2000.
Tango Romeo Pana.
Inoperative will be
180, communication is Brazil.
Checks.
Thank you. If you can go off.
Communication with Brazil.
And
Charlie
before
Young
takeoff checklist.
1289.
Photo checkers flaps.
5 green light.
5 green light. Stabilizer trim.
Copy,
5.4.
copy, level passing.
Okay.
We are steady,
5.
50180.
Photo checkers.
Copy, continue with Brazil, bye bye.
Thank you.
Good day, thanks.
Cabin secure.
Thank you. Off number 1, speaking to the passenger.
Checks.
Ladies and gents, good morning. From the flight deck, it's Captain speaking. My name is Omar. I would like to welcome you on board of this flight 201 inbound to Brazzaville. Shortly departing from runway 17 to do a left and out to climb 25,000 feet above mean sea level. Weather en route and weather at destination forecast to be fine. We expect flight time of 40 minutes. We do thank you for choosing Transair Congo, and we'd love to see you again on board. Sit back, relax, enjoy the flight with us, and thank you for listening. Alright, seating the crew.
Check.
Cabin crew, take a seat for departure, please. Bag on 1.
No massage. Oh, babies.
Yeah.
Okay, approach is clear, ready?
Affirm.
Tango Sierra Golf 201, ready.
201.1. Clear for takeoff. Runway 17. Wind 180 degrees 2 knots.
Clear for takeoff 17 Tango Sierra Golf 201.
Alrighty, so you've been clear for takeoff. Runway 17. Runway is clear. Takeoff time will be at 14. I have controls.
Check.
Stabilizing.
Checks.
Stable. And 1 toga heading select. Set reduce takeoff thrust.
Checks. Thrust set.
Check.
80 knots. Throttle hold.
Check.
V1, rotate. Positive rate.
Clear up.
Feet.
Left heading 088. Check. Set climb thrust, flaps up speed.
N1. Set.
Flaps 1.
Speed check. Flap 1. Flaps, 1 green light.
Check, flaps up.
Speed checks. Flaps up, no lights.
VNAV.
VNAV speed.
Proceed direct to Vortex. Execute. LNAV please.
Oh no.
Check. Set standard.
Sets.
Passing.
26. Now.
Check after takeoff checks and checklist.
After check the 3 engine bleeds on. That's auto landing gear no flaps up no lights. After check is complete.
Check, thank you.
Pleasure. Point Tango Sierra Golf 201 passing flight level 40. Estimating Vorex at 0731 Brazza 51.
201, copy the airborne 14, report maintaining level 250.
Next call level 250 Tango Sierra Golf 201.
Right, your autopilot A in command and 1 VNAV speed LNAV command.
Check. Weather radar off my side.
Off my side as well. Alright, so approaching flight level 100, facing them.